what's up, guys? You already know who I am. I don't. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm going to pull the prank. So you can see. Party is fueling. Oh God! They're home. They can see me. I gotta get out of here. This went totally wrong. Climb this ladder. This went totally wrong. Let's get out of here. Okay. Alright. Alright. I don't think they saw me. Well, I think they saw me.